In Java, interfaces define contracts, clear agreements about what a class can do without specifying the exact way it should be done. Interfaces focus on what can be done, not how it's accomplished, allowing developers to separate the what from the how. Think of an interface as a promise. Any class that implements it must provide certain behaviors, ensuring consistency across different implementations. The collection framework in Java uses interfaces to let us work with groups of objects in a flexible and powerful way, making code more adaptable and easier to maintain. One key interface in this framework is set, which plays a crucial role in managing collections. Set represents a collection of unique elements, no duplicates allowed, making it ideal for situations where each item must be distinct. This idea comes straight from mathematics. A set is a group of distinct items, just like in math class, where each element appears only once. If you try to add a duplicate, the set simply ignores it, ensuring that every element remains unique. Unlike a list, which allows duplicates and keeps track of the order of elements, set only cares about uniqueness, not the sequence in which items are added. You can't create a set directly. Instead, you use classes like HashSet or TreeSet that implement the set interface, each with its own way of storing and managing elements. These classes handle the details of how uniqueness is enforced, so you don't have to worry about duplicates slipping through. By programming to the set interface, your code stays flexible and focused on what matters, ensuring no duplicates, regardless of the underlying implementation. This abstraction is a cornerstone of clean, reusable Java code, making it easier to swap out implementations or extend functionality in the future. Mastering set is the first step to mastering Java collections, opening the door to more advanced data structures and efficient programming. The defining rule of set is simple: no duplicates. Imagine collecting one of each fruit at a market. If you already have an apple, you skip adding another. Set uses equals and hash code to check for duplicates automatically. If you try to add an existing element, set ignores it and returns false. This saves you from writing manual checks and keeps your code efficient. Unlike list, set doesn't guarantee order, especially with HashSet. If you need order, use LinkedHashSet or TreeSet. But always remember, with set, uniqueness comes first. Set and list are both collections, but they serve different purposes. Set enforces uniqueness. List allows duplicates. List maintains order and lets you access elements by index. Set doesn't care about order or indexes, just whether an element is present. Set is optimized for fast membership checks, while list is best for ordered sequences. Use list when you need duplicates or care about order, like a history of actions. Use set when you need unique items and quick lookups, like tracking unique users. The right choice depends on your needs, order and duplicates, or uniqueness and speed. Understanding this difference is key to using Java collections effectively. Choose wisely for clean, efficient code. In Java, set is an interface that represents a collection of unique elements, but you can't use it directly. Instead, you work with classes like HashSet, TreeSet, or LinkedHashSet, each offering its own advantages for different scenarios. HashSet is the most commonly used implementation. It's fast, efficient, and doesn't care about the order of elements. Operations like add, remove, and contains are usually constant time, making it ideal for large datasets where speed is crucial. However, if you need your elements to be sorted automatically, TreeSet is the way to go. It keeps elements in order, sorting them either naturally or by a custom comparator you provide, though this comes with a slight performance cost. LinkedHashSet, on the other hand, preserves the order in which you add elements, so you get both fast lookups and predictable iteration order, which is useful when order matters. Choose HashSet when you want speed and uniqueness without worrying about order. Use TreeSet if you need your elements to always be sorted and unique. Pick LinkedHashSet when you want uniqueness but also need to maintain the insertion order of your elements. Each implementation has its own strengths and trade-offs, so pick the one that best matches your project's requirements. Understanding these options gives you the flexibility to handle almost any unique collection scenario in Java. Choosing the right set implementation not only makes your code more efficient, but also easier to read and maintain. Sets are incredibly practical tools for real-world programming, offering a simple yet powerful way to manage collections of unique items. For example, if you want to count unique products sold in your store, just add each product to a set. Duplicates are automatically ignored, saving you time and effort. Need to check if a user has a specific permission? Store all permissions in a set for lightning-fast lookups, making your code both efficient and easy to maintain. Sets make membership tests and deduplication effortless, so you never have to worry about repeated values cluttering your data. They also support powerful set operations, like union, intersection, and difference, that let you combine, compare, or separate data with just a few lines of code. For instance, you can quickly find users who appear in both newsletter lists using intersection, or identify those unique to one list with the difference operation. These operations are built right into the language and are extremely easy to use even for beginners. Mastering set means you'll write cleaner, faster, and more expressive code, making your programs easier to read and maintain. Whether you're deduplicating massive data sets or analyzing complex relationships, Set is an essential Java tool that every developer should know. Use sets to make your programs smarter, more efficient, and ready to handle real-world challenges with confidence.